Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing I've been waiting for, because if you saw my previous video in which I talk about a mishap, I received a box. It was supposed to be the Suede large market tote. Instead I got from Coach a very generous bag instead. It wasn't the $118 market tote that I bought. It was something from the 1941 collection. So naturally I had to send it back because I was expecting this. This is a Suede large market tote. It's very hard to find. When I first ordered it, there was only 5 in the entire United States. When they realized that they have to replace that order for me, there was only 2. So I got a box today, and I'm going to unbox it, and thank you for joining me. And I have fingers crossed that this is the market tote and not a Rogue or something like that, because I really want the market tote. So let's unbox it. And it was very, very nice of all of the people at Coach to go out of their way to get this to me, and they overnighted this. They shipped it in one day, and this was yesterday, and I got it today. And I really appreciate that, because that's not cheap to do. So thank you everybody at Coach. Okay. This isn't sealed. Is it? Oh, here it is. I really hope it's the market tote. I really do. It's packaged nice. Oh, this one I don't have to worry about the handles being folded, because if it was one that did have the handles straight, I would be freaking out now, because this is way too small for the handles to be sticking out. But it's Suede, so it's not going to have handles sticking out. Oh my God. First I got nervous because it's black. But inside it should be ox blood, because this is reversible. So, okay, these handles are going to have to go on the doorknob for a month or so. And well, this is large. This looks pretty small, but let's see. I'll tell you, it's always an adventure. Oh my good gosh. It has to go to an iron, the iron this. Okay, I've never seen this in real life. I've only seen pictures of it, so hopefully this is the way it's supposed to be. It has a pouch. Let's reverse it, because I'm going to be using it on the Suede part. See, it's very, very flimsy. There's like no structure in it, but I didn't expect there to be. This side is a leather. It looks like it's their cross grain leather, which is a Saffiano that they put their own pattern on so that they're unique. And the inside, which is going to be the outside now, is a Suede oxblood. I really don't want to send this back. I really don't. Okay. Hopefully it's redeemable. What do you think? I can't believe this is a large market tote, because it seems so much smaller than my other ones. I have it in the stone, and I have it in the midnight navy, and it's pretty huge. What do you think? This is a removable pouch, which is pretty small. That's this thickness. But it's like a pocket, because since it's a reversible tote, there's no pockets. It has Suede inside. their care card. It has gold hardware. This really has to be straightened out, really. Big time. It has these closures on across the bag, not over the bag, to cinch it. And I don't know. I hope this works out because I really don't want to do a return. What do you guys think? And they sent it one day. That's probably as expensive as the bag is, really. This is the sales ticket. I don't even see what it says myself. It's originally $3.95. It's the number is F like Frank 59503. The color is oxblood and black. I'll tell you, the judge is out on this one. The jury is out on this one, I should say. This is how it looks with it cinched. I don't know. It has zero structure. Zero structure. This is it sitting down. It looks like a mushroom. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't see myself keeping this. So if you have an opinion about it, if I should return it, I feel bad because there's suede on one side of this tag, leather on the other. I feel bad because they really went out of the way to get it to me. But maybe if I stuff it a while and see if it comes back to life. And I do have the option of wearing it on the black side. No, it's a nice color. I think it's a nice color. I think that the bag, though, is not in good shape. And I think these are scratches in it. They're not coming out. These are scratches. At least I have a reason to send it back, if I decide to send it back. Oh well. They were really nice to send it to me, and I do feel bad to return it. But it's $118, and it's not my mistake, really. This is really not a good condition. So, thank you guys for being with me. I appreciate it. I want to introduce you to, I know you hear the little pitter-patter of little feet when I'm recording and speaking. I want to introduce you to who is making all that noise. Excuse me. My baby, and she's always sitting around and walking around when I'm and snorting. This is my baby girl. And she's sending kisses to everybody who sends her, especially Park 70. And thank you, you guys. And here comes my other one. She's going to want to be picked up too. All right. She's an old gal. She has arthritis. She's not feeling that well. And she's a good girl. And she's a mom. She had 10 babies, which I delivered. And my kids have. One of my kids have, and others I sold. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope this wasn't a disappointing video for you. And you know, these things happen, and I appreciate your watching me and your loyal friendship. Have a good day, everybody. I love you. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye.